There are 6 elements of Texas Home Learning 3.0 instructional resources. We're excited to share how Texas Home Learning 3.0 delivers these elements by previewing some examples of instructional materials. The first element includes both unit plans and daily lesson plans aligned to Texas standards. This includes clearly articulated, coherent, TEKS-aligned units with daily lesson plans that teachers can use regardless of whether learning happens on campus or at home. Instruction with this curriculum resource is supported by smart software that mirrors a human coach, providing contextual hints, immediate feedback, and interactive examples to give students a completely personalized learning experience. And teachers and leaders get the data they need to guide instruction and planning. And all of this is integrated in your district's LMS for easy access. The second element involves comprehensive support for all stakeholders, teachers, students, and family alike. Teachers get real-time data and actionable insights on what to do next, even when students are learning remotely. At a glance, teachers can see what students are working on in the software, including their activity and productivity levels, and which skills they've mastered or might be still struggling with. This insight helps teachers focus on who needs help the most right in the moment. Students and their families see a real-time view of their learning through the progress meter. This is a quick way to view skill improvements as the colors change color to show them what they've mastered and what they might still need to work on. Students and families also get real-time hints for lesson assignments from a conversational chatbot accessible on any device, so students never get stuck when working from home. And that brings us to the third element of Texas Home Learning 3.0, built-in progress monitoring. In this product, progress monitoring shows teachers what students know and don't know at a granular skill level, giving teachers a more efficient path to targeted instruction. Teachers access assessment quality data at any time, viewing reports on standards mastery, skills mastery, and even a prediction of student performance. This depth of data empowers teachers to make important instructional decisions. The fourth element of Texas Home Learning 3.0 is all about assessment. Formative and summative assessment data provides teachers the information they need to help students stay on track this year. Understanding the scope of last year's learning loss may feel like an enormous task, but imagine putting this information in your teacher's hands, making their lives easier. Specifically, the way that this product delivers assessment needs is through ongoing, comprehensive formative assessment in the software and talk the talks, exit tickets to demonstrate understanding at the end of every lesson. Insights like these help teachers know where students are in their learning progression. The fifth element is digital format with printing capability. We know that access to technology presents a challenge in remote learning, so materials can be easily printed. Teachers no longer have to create different materials for 2 different settings, as all materials are accessible in the LMS and may also be downloaded for printing. Lastly, and probably most importantly, is ensuring that our learning experiences are accessible for all learners. Texas Home Learning 3.0 materials meet accessibility requirements for all learners. This particular product is compliant with the National Instructional Materials Accessibility Standard and Web Content Accessibility Guidelines. All digital supports will be provided in both English and Spanish. The software also has built-in accessibility supports like text-to-speech. And this resource for Texas Home Learning 3.0 will help provide teachers with what they need to support all students. With these customized, TEKS-aligned smart tools for Texas, teachers can focus on community, collaboration, connection, and personalization, and students can thrive.